I've already done my first pickup of the morning. Got some spec mix, a pallet on the truck, and they've wrapped it like normal, which means they wrap around the sides, a little bit on the top corners, but they don't cover the top. And this is pretty standard practice in Southern California, Nevada, Arizona. You know, when I pick this stuff up in when I'm in Ohio, usually in the spring, everything comes wrapped like a Christmas present. Well, this is one of those times where I picked it up. I had clear and sunny skies. Well, not clear and sunny. Let's just say it didn't look like rain in Palm Springs. I've driven a half an hour out towards Indio, and now it looks like I'm going to get rained on here. So all I can do is just take the product to the customer, show them it got wet. They can either refuse it or they can accept it, try to salvage if they really need to get to work, salvage what they can, and then you know, they can return whatever's damaged to the store. That's really the only two options they're gonna have. But they don't even keep the plastic bags that most of the rest of the United States has to cover the product, the drywall. I mean, it's very rare that they have those at the store here. And most of the time, they're trying to just use the shrink wrap to wrap up pallets and drywall. It's kind of interesting how you go from state to state. And like I said, in Ohio, it looks like I got a Christmas present. And then I come out here and it's just, you know, the way it was delivered to the store, not touched and not even thought about for transport or even getting it to the customer without any kind of inclement weather. So we'll see how this goes, but it's looking like my first delivery, first product of the day that's going to be on my truck for another hour until I deliver it is it's not going to be showing up completely dry. So we'll see how it goes, but that's what you do in that situation. The store gives it to you the way they give it to you, and you know, you're not responsible for them not preparing it properly for the weather. At least here you're not. So if that's different anywhere else, let me know. For this specific job, we don't tarp, you know, because we do stops. We got 15 stops a day. We don't tarp and untarp. That's not what we're required to do. And we're just supposed to take it. They're supposed to have it ready, and we just deliver it. So let me know, guys, if you got it different somewhere else, but that's the way it goes here. And it's last day of the year. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. Let's just get this kind of crappy year over with. So all right, guys, I will talk to you later. Leave me a comment, and then I will check you on the next one.